7 Best Exercises to Lose Weight at Home. 1. Aerobic exercises. Walking is considered one of the best weight loss exercises. Walking at a fast pace is a great exercise for burning calories. 2. Skipping or jumping rope. Skipping exercise offers a complete body workout and helps increase your muscle strength, metabolism, and burn many calories in a short time. 3. Planks. Plank exercise variations. The standard plank. The mountain climbers. 4. Push-ups and pull-ups. Repeat these steps for 15 reps and 4 sets. 5. Squats. Squat exercises are known as muscle strengthening exercises. The main aim of this exercise is to improve the lower part of the body. Squats help burn calories and prevent fat from accumulating in your lower part of the body. 6. Lunges. Stand straight with your back and abs upright. Keep your front knee above your heel. Repeat the above steps with your left leg. Come back and bring your feet together. 7. Yoga. The combination of yoga and healthy eating has proven beneficial as it helps to lose weight along with keeping your body and mind healthy.